Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create a notebook on your OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily create a new notebook. Here are the process. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here OneNote app will now open. Here you can see from the top left corner My Notebook. Click on a small arrow and here choose More Notebooks. Click on it. Here from the left side click on Now New. Thereafter go to right side and here you will see location where you want to create a notebook. This PC, OneDrive, add a place, browse or reset. So we will choose OneDrive. Here notebook name, assign a notebook name. We will choose this notebook name, tips how to, and click on create notebook. A pop-up window will appear. Microsoft OneNote, your notebook has been created. Would you like to share it? Not now. Click on not now and you can see your newly created notebook will visible here. Two notebooks available, My Notebooks and newly created notebooks, tips how to. Apply a right click on it and various features available. Sync the notebook now, notebook sync status, share this notebook and other also available here. You can customize new notebook here. Choose notebook properties, choose a notebook color as per your choice and location, default format, save a copy and click on OK. Your new notebook is successfully created and colored changed. Now you can use it as per your choice, as per your requirement. That's all.